Hey, this is Dr. P here, and above me in the garden watering is Pi, my 95-year-old father-in-law. He has knee arthritis. He's never had a cortisone injection. He eats right, he stays active, he exercises, he's not overweight, and he does not need cortisone, even though he has had some pain and issues with his knees. I have patients, I have subscribers asking me all the time about cortisone. Bottom line, cortisone is horrendous. It's terrible. There's some very, very limited indications, but for the most part, it's terrible. I'll put some things in the description, some studies referencing that it actually causes more harm than good, and it actually accelerates arthritis as opposed to protecting the knees against arthritis. Things like using your own body's blood and bone marrow and even fat and using it in a way to help your knee joint that has arthritis in it and help your pain and your function without damaging it, increasing the risk of infection, increasing wound healing problems, increasing your blood sugar, all those bad things that cortisone does. That's really a better way to go. Cortisone is last century's technology and it's harmful. That's the bottom line. Do like Pi says, no cortisone.